Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to get a max health in GTA 5 Online. Today I'll be showing you how to get max health in GTA 5 Online. And right now, there we go. I just got damaged. So right now, as you can see, my HP is now low. So I want you to go to your interaction menu and go to health and ammo. Then go to snacks. And you can choose which snack do you want. So your health will regenerate back. Just keep eating. As you can see, my health is going back up and up and up. And so once you have your bar health up, you can stop eating. And there you go. And you can add another layer of health if you have body armor. And there you go. Your character now is on full health. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.